Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fair, and here we have the special phone for you. It's from Nothing, and this time we have the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. So this is the latest model from Nothing. Because of transparent design, unique aesthetic, this phone is gradually known by more and more people. And this time we have the Nothing Phone 3A Pro Black Edition. This time we have 12GB by RAM plus 250GB by ROM. And today we will have a quick unboxing video, and also I've talked on the specification and main features about the device, about this middle-ranged unique device market. Next, okay, let's open it. As we can see from the box design, it's just don't like the normal design. It's a box in box, yes, and this time we have the Chinese Taiwan edition. And here is the invoice I got. So yes, this is the invoice. I bought it. Okay, and for this phone, it have two editions: the global and the 459 US dollars, and the India edition, and the specification is a bit lower compared to the global edition. Okay, now I already opened the side box. So welcome to Nothing. Well, isn't this exciting? So kind of call to action and also a sentence to make you think more about the device. So okay, let's skip and go to the smartphone. The first accessories. So this is the cable, Type-C to Type-C, white color cable under the smartphone, and here's the use menu, different languages provide, and inside we get the main instruction of the device, and here is the also the transparent SIM card ejector is also a different compared to the other brand. So only cable and no charger. Okay, so this is all stuff inside the box. A cover box and a white box inside. And next, okay, today's main actor, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Let's get it out from the smartphone bow protector. And finally, the phone is in front of us. It's got a shining and transparent glass. Yes, this is just same like the print on the box. Okay, very special design. This phone, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, is incorrect well the transparent design language, but I think more features are added to this phone, like the button, AR button, and also the periscope camera. Here's the charging dock, SIM card slot, power value button, and its camera zoom, and also of course the glyph interface, the light strip. And this is the biggest difference, the phone compared with other device, and also because of this, it's captured a lot of younger users rapidly in a short time. Okay. Especially for this different is the language. This phone has become more and more popular now. Okay, let's turn on the smartphone to check the more information. So first, the dimension, the thickness 8.4 millimeters and weight 211 gram, and it supports IP64 IP rating. Also, it's powered by the Nothing OS. And next, okay, let's check the main features one by one. So Nothing OS, hello. Okay, connect to mobile phone network. Okay, different. Skip. And set ping. Okay, skip. Okay, wow, as we can see, the drip light animation is here, mid-glyph interface. So yes, different mode interface, call recognition, charging, call coming, and essential notification, and glyph timer. You can set different mode and get different essential key This is a special function compared to the previous products. And to this special button, we can do the simple work and learning interface with one click. And also we can use it capture thought on the offer AI was new in OS 3.0. So this is announcing new OS 3.0. Okay, let's enter it and check it. So you can check the main features about this new OS. New range on your deck. Quick. Yes, I will show you my Nothing earbars because this can also get a smooth connection to the accessories from Nothing, like the earphone. Yes, so this is also a transparent designed earbars for Nothing, and this is the first product they provide in the market. And okay, so this is the new features about the OS 3.0 and more. Android, AI, a lot of new features to provide. Okay, finally, let's choose the virtual design and enter the OS. Sure, I will choose the classical one. To provide two. Okay, I will choose this, and then let's go to the OS. So this is the very distinctive and special UI in the market. Yes, very simple, but also different UI. Swipe from left, right, bottom to up to bottom, and also all designed, redesigned the icons. Yes, nothing special. Let's go to setting part, check the basic specification about the device. ThinkOS 3.1, the new one. Device name, Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and processor Snapdragon 8S Generation 3. So this is not the latest and powerful Snapdragon chips. And here's the camera zoom. This is the first time they use the periscope camera. 50 megapixel periscope camera, main camera, also 50 megapixel. It supports OIS and 1.56 inch sensor and wide angle 8 megapixel to the triple camera system. And the front one also 50 megapixel, 2.2 aperture. 12 GB RAM plus 2 GB virtual, 250 GB ROM. Okay, this is the basic specification about the device, and also for the display resolution is FHD plus 1080, 2392, and PPI 3087, and refresh rate 120 Hz, peak brightness 3000, and HDR supported. And next, okay, sure, we will test the glyph interface. Flipped glyph, if it means you can flip and then you can get the strip light. And okay, let's go to glyph interface and test it. Music, bedtime schedule, turn on. Glyph fold process, battery, display, sound vibration, media. Okay, here, if we adjust the bar, we can get strong, weak, LED light, brightness. Nothing machine, yeah. This is the Nothing machine. Different shiny mode. Okay, so this funny part, the most funny part for this device. Okay, you switch from different Okay, I think I should go back. Yes, then nothing machine. Okay, because before I turn on the sound only, now yes, we get different light strip mode. I can swipe it. Yes, very nice. You can select one you want. And if especially in a dark place, this will be more attractive. Very cool. So the phone should not only be a communication tool, it should be a emotion modifier. Yes, to make your life interesting and not boring. Yeah, this is mainly for the youngers. Yes, alarm sound. Okay. Yes, meteor. Do not step. This is do not step mode. Flip to glyph. Okay, it means you need flip it to desk. Then they have a shining light. Okay, I see. Okay. Later, I will put it on the desk so you can check. This is foam. This is the sound and vibration. Yes, I told you I can adjust the bar and you can get the same. Yes, the same. The light strip will also change as you change the swiped bar. Also for the ring volume. So this is very clever and ingenious design. This is the details. You know, for the Nothing phone, they don't get higher specification, but for design, for details, for the OS, I really like it. Generally speaking, for the camera, for the specification, for the processor, it's not okay compared to the other flagship, but for the details, okay, they do good. Clip interface. Yes, most interesting part as well. You can also adjust to have a 3 grade to adjust the brightness. Also, yeah, very funny. And instructions, cliff ringtone. Okay, also choose the default ringtones and different ringtone, different light strip mode. You can swipe and choose one you like, and they will. Yes, Nothing machine. Go back. Flip to delete timer. Composer, leave progress. Okay. Yes, glyph interface, music visualization. Okay, so this is all settings related to the glyph interface function. And okay, we will test the camera. And this time for the camera part, it's improved compared to last generation. And the first time they used the periscope camera, 50 megapixel periscope, 3 times optical zoom, and support AI, support telephoto, and OIS supported, and the main one also 50 megapixel telephoto, 50 megapixel, and wide angle 8 megapixel, and for the screen record 4K videos and 30 FPS. And yes, we can get the details if we do zoom. And also the front one is a 50 megapixel f2.2 aperture, and also compared to the last generation, it's just about 32 megapixel, so it's improved. This is the more, okay, slow motion, panorama. Yes. This is the macro. We can also test the macro. Yeah. Focus. Yes, focus. Zoom. Yeah, this is my hand. You can see the lines of my hand. And this is a toy, colorful toy, and we can try to get the details of it. Yeah. Now we get the details from macro. Zoom, and even more details. So I put the sample pictures at the end of this part. Yes. Another one. Okay. You can see the lines of my hand. Also for the night vision. Okay, we can check it. Okay, good. I think for this phone, it's okay. It's very even, especially if you compare to last generation, it's okay. But if compared to the other device, it's just so-so. Yes, more pictures, some pictures. You can check it. Okay, it's okay. And next, talk about the special instantial space, the AI function. And so you can see another thing compared to the last generation is to make the live stream more simple, not like the last generation, which were complicated, lot of curved. Yes, and also you can find the flip gleam works. Yes, and the charger, battery health. Okay, this is a flip clip. Okay, so this is today's main content. Very simple unboxing and video. Hope you like my video. Bye bye.